Hello students, after final accounts you have in syllabus capital market. So first we have to discuss what is capital market. So I will ask you, what do you mean by vegetable market? Where you buy vegetables. Now for the vegetable sellers, it is a place where they sell vegetables. So a vegetable market is a place where vegetables are sold or bought. So what is capital market? Similarly, capital market is where capital is sold or bought. Now, what is capital? You already know. Whatever is invested in the business in the form of assets is capital. So, when capital is invested and that capital is supposed to be sold or bought, that means it only happens in case of a company. Its shares are for sale and purchases. So basically, a company, when it issues its shares in the market, then capital market is formed where you can buy capital of a firm or of a company. So capital market is a place where capitals are sold or bought. For easy understanding, I will tell you that stock exchange is a capital market where shares are bought or sold. That means it is a capital market. Now let's see functions of capital market. So capital market, what is the need of capital market? When everybody investing in manufacturing activities, what is the need of capital market? This question may come to your mind. But what is capital market and how it is important to us? We will see under the functions of capital market. So capital formation is one of the functions of capital market. If the shares are for sale, debentures, preference shareholders, that means anyone, if having extra money, having an opportunity to invest his money and earn some interest on that or dividend on that, that is provided by capital market. If the capital market is their fixed deposit, when you do a fixed deposit, you are also operating under capital market because you are directly investing your money. So capital formation is main basis of capital market, because if anyone can get some return on their savings, then only they are going to save for the future. So capital market helps in capital formation. It is an avenue for provision of investment. It is an opportunity which you have to invest. If you are investing in some company which is manufacturing something, it means that you are providing capital to them to operate. If they operate and they are successful, if the business is relevant to present conditions, then you will get good return on the capital invested. So it provides avenue for provision of investment. If anyone having extra money can invest in this. It speeds of economic growth and development. When extra money, which is not buried underground, but that is invested in the market. What is the basis of money in the market? When money circulates in the market, it gives more profit. So, for circulation, it is important. In ancient time, what happened? When anyone got money, much of the coins, gold coins or silver coins or any money, they buried that underground. and it was totally out of circulation. But now people don't do that. They invest their money into the market and get return on that. If the money is buried in the ground, any interest is not paid. But if the money is invested in the market, then more interest is paid on that. So economic growth and development is brought by capital market formation. It mobilizes savings, all the savings. Even if we keep it with bank in savings account, do you know the bank doesn't keep all the money you deposit with it. They invest some money to some interest earning investment, so that they can provide you the service, they can pay the employees. So whenever any money is deposited with the bank, that is invested somewhere. So capital market mobilizes the saving of people who are general in nature. General people's savings are mobilized, and it regulates the funds. Whenever an economy grows, it is important to keep track of whatever financial transactions are taking place. Anybody having excess money, if capital market is not provided, will be invested somewhere where it is not under the government's scrutiny, that is in black market. So why it mobilizes savings and gives an opportunity to everyone to invest in legible formats. Again, it provides continuous availability of funds. That means if capital market is there, everybody is saving, is being deposited there, then a fund is available there, and anytime that can be used for a purpose. So continuous availability of funds are made by capital market. So service provision is also there. That means whenever money is invested in the firm, that gives some interest. So that helps in earning some money. So all these functions are of capital market. Till you go through this video, I will send you some notes next day, and will explain to you the next about capital market. Thanks.